Moving on now, the Hyatt Regency, one of Mumbai's best-known five-star hotels, is now all set to shut down. Until further notice, they say, indicating the financial strain it faces. The properties authorities have said that they have no money to pay even salaries at this point.
For the first time since the pandemic, a major global hotel chain, Hyatt Hotels, has shut down its flagship property in India's commercial capital, the Hyatt Regency in Mumbai, with just over 400 rooms near the international airport. In a statement on Monday, Hyatt said the property is now closed until further notice and no further salaries will be paid to nearly 300 employees. Anxious employees have now gone to the State Labour Court, saying they had no warning of this. The hearing on this matter will now happen on June 28th. Rupali Natekar, who has been working with Hyatt Regency for 8 years as a room attendant, has an 11-year-old daughter. Others, like her, have worked for over 15 years.
कोविड की सिचुएशन में भी हमने 12-14 आवर्स काम किए हैं हर एक ने, और हर कोई अपना घर छोड़ के यहाँ पे रह रहा है। वो लोग हमें घर नहीं भेजते थे, हमें यहाँ पे स्टे करना पड़ता था। हम अपना घर बार बच्चे वगैरह सब छोड़ के आते थे, तो फिर भी आज हमें ये सपोर्ट नहीं करे।
हमें कल जीएम ने बुलाया था, उन्होंने हमें ये बताया कि हम टेम्परेरी सस्पेंड कर रहे हैं सर्विसेज। अचानक ही हमें नोटिस दिया गया है और हमारे 2 महीने की सैलरी भी पेंडिंग है, अप्रैल और मई की। वो इसके लिए हम यहाँ पे कोर्ट पे आए हैं।
पेंडेमिक का सिचुएशन है, ऑक्यूपेंसी कम ज़्यादा होती रही थी, तो हम लोग को ऑक्यूपेंसी कम हो गई थी। उस सिचुएशन में हमने जो हम लोग ने मैनेजमेंट ने हम लोग के सामने बातें रखी, उस सिचुएशन के हिसाब से हम लोगों ने वर्कर्स लोगों ने ये सैलरी कम करके ली है। सैलरी अब तो हम लोगों ने अब तक शायद 50% नहीं लिया रहेगा।
In its letter sent to all employees, Hyatt said, as a result of no funds forthcoming from Asian Hotels, which is the owner of Hyatt Regency Mumbai, to sustain the operations of the hotel, a decision has been taken to temporarily suspend all operations for Hyatt Regency Mumbai. Asian Hotels told the stock exchanges that the company has defaulted on its payments on a bank loan because of the pandemic and is in no position to pay employees or its GST dues. Since the pandemic began, the hotel industry suffered massive losses. According to the Federation of Hotels and Restaurant Association, since the second wave, the industry suffered losses to the tune of nearly 1.3 lakh crore and nearly 30% of the premises was shut down completely. Tourism industry supports 7% to the total GDP and also has an employment of nearly 8%. In Mumbai, with camera person Rajendra Dayalkar, this is Purva Chitnis for NDTV.